you talk about digital transformation, and that's, really where this industry is going. I'd love to hear your thoughts on, what you've seen as far as recent trends, or why you really started to engage with that type of niche.
Yes, well, I've never been a good student, but I've been a kind of lifelong learner. So I like to study different type of things, and really at the time of the blockchain and before that, I had a real interest in securities and how they would work in a different environment. And so I really could see in the future of digital securities and the ability to be able to uh, really bring liquidity to a marketplace that historically has not been there, because typically 1% of all the companies are public in the US and 99% aren't. And it's hard to get the liquidity you need, especially in the lower middle tier markets. So through that process, I kind of streamed together, or in my mind, an idea that that eventually there will be digital security transactions connected to platforms that allow people to view information and connect, and that regulation technology will be faster and more efficient, and it will bring people of all areas to be able to invest. And so, like in our new company, called another new company we have called Appleseed, that has to do with majority interest of deals that we would acquire, but we call it private equity for everyone, or the democratization of investment opportunities for people of all amounts that they would want to invest, and credited and unaccredited and those type of things. Although we do a lot of large transactions as well as small transactions, and some pretty sophisticated, it still gets down to capital coming in and the ability for people to see that and understand it, and then execute with it. So we see a vibrant market in the future, not too far now in the future. It used to be way out there, but now, say within the year, where more and more platforms allow the execution of digital securities for uh, all different types of fractionalization, as well as trading and those types of things, which really is a boom to financial markets as well as the world.